Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create drawing videos for YouTube 2026 step by step. So guys, you actually want to get into drawing on YouTube. How do you go about this? Let's first go ahead and look at some samples so we can get an understanding of what we're going to be working with or what you potentially can get done and achieve on YouTube. So there are many styles or different types of drawing styles. You just need to pick one that grows faster. We have time lapse drawing, we have digital drawings, which are, let's see, we can find a digital drawing. We have digital drawings, we have sketchbook drawings, which would be these. We have anime or cartoon art. So this could pass as one of them, and also relaxing ASMR drawings. So basically, consistency actually beats talent. So you need to know what works for you. You need to know what works for your audience, and you need to know what keeps viewers coming. All right, so with all of these in mind, the next thing is to set up your tools. So in order to start drawing, you might just need a good camera, depending on the type of drawing you want to accomplish or the style you want to make use of. All you need to do is just grab a few things. Most times they are physical, most times they are digital tools you can use for this, as AI has gotten so advanced that it's almost indistinguishable from physical drawings. So if you're going to be making digital art, you need a tablet and a stylus pen. If you're making physical drawings, you're going to need a pen and a piece of paper. And most times, you might not even need a tablet. All you need is a phone for, if you want to make small drawings on your phone, you could download a drawing app like Procreate, IBS Paint, or Krita. You can use these. And then for the digital part, you could make use of a screen recorder that's either the built in screen recorder on your device or something like the OBS Studios. OBS Studios is actually quite good and they offer wonderful quality. You're getting up to 60 frames per second. Now, another thing is recording the drawing. So, if you can see what is consistent among most of the channels you're looking at here is their drawings are consistent. They do not lack consistency across. Everything is recorded. So, make sure you record your drawings so as to showcase them without issues on your YouTube channel. And then the next thing is editing your videos. So as far as editing goes, it's quite easy to edit a drawing video. All you need to do is cut out your mistakes or cut out the extra time you spent curving that little S or crossing that little I or dotting that little T or whatever. So also speed up your boring parts, add light background music, as music actually does a number for people, and then trim the dead time. So where there are spaces, you can remove them. Where there's some overshadowing or things you do not want in your video, you can trim them out and leave only the important parts. That way, you get to have your video stand out and kind of get you to 57 million views. So, another thing you need to note is also try to have your YouTube tags um, up on your video. In your title, it should be one of the hooks that people are seeing. The first thing they see as soon as they get interested in your video is the title. Now, don't forget to always add value, as you can boost your watch time by adding tips while you draw, either audio tips or on text tips, like using a certain brand of stylus pen or using a certain brand of pencils for shading and things of that nature. And also, you could also use a simple voiceover, as voiceovers are quite easy to do. All you need is a mic. If you do not have a mic, you can use your inbuilt mic on your phone or your tablet. And also step numbers, like try to add numbers to it, like a sketch, line, color. All of those things are quite important when you look to create content on YouTube. So always try to follow a process so it's quite easy for people to follow. And then another thing is adding thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails are quite important to your video, as some certain thumbnails are what make your video stand out. Some certain thumbnails give you up to 30 million views, others 25, and others just 100,000. And in some cases you're getting up to 7 million. Your thumbnails actually are important. Now, if you want to get YouTube thumbnails for your art, all you need to do is log on to Canva and head over to the home. Once you're on here, click on template. Please make sure you've signed in or signed up for Canva, as the case may be. So it's home and then it's template, and then at the search, just simply search for YouTube thumbnail or YouTube banner, and it should be something that is in relation to the niche you're working on. So, the thumbnail tips I would suggest are: make sure it shows your final artwork, a bright background, clean and bold look, as well as text or title examples. So, try to put your title into your thumbnail. And then last but not least, monetizing your channel. So you can set up your monetization when you head over to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and then head over to YouTube Studios. Once you do get to YouTube Studios, from the dashboard, head over to the um, earn page, click on earn. And when it comes to earning on YouTube, you have to reach a certain point in order to earn. But you can earn from a lot of things like YouTube AdSense, commissions, print and digital art, affiliate links for tools, and also donations from your subscribers. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to run ads for your YouTube account, and leave a like and subscribe if you have any questions. Thank you.